Good morning, sickness, everybody. So today we are talking about pregnancy hair and myths in hair color. Behind me is my beautiful pregnant wife. So congrats to me, there's lead in the pencil. And also we have Linet K, celebrity hair colorist, hairdresser with me, and she's going to debunk all of our pregnancy myths, the things that I want to share with you, and all of the questions that we get regarding pregnancy. So let's knock it out. Girls, are you ready?
We're ready.
All right, let's go. Okay, so again, joined with the amazing Linet K. She is a celebrity hairdresser based here in LA, and also, what is going on with my hair? And also bi-coastal in New York, correct?
New York and San Francisco.
Oh my God, I've never been to San Francisco.
Oh, we gotta go.
Okay, so now it's all about my wife today, as it should be. And with Laura being expecting, we have a little bun in the oven. So Laura went down a rabbit hole and started asking me, what is she able to do with her hair color? What is she not able to do? And I thought it would be an amazing time to bring in Linet and let her expertise just flow here. And I'll let the girls talk and let you guys all listen. So I hope you enjoy. And if you are expecting out there, congratulations. So first question I get is, when can I color my hair? Is there a difference between, first trimester, second trimester, third trimester? And also, is it even possible to color my hair when I'm pregnant? So I think we just tackled the elephant in the room.
Yeah, so as you can see, I've been growing my hair out for quite some time.
I didn't mean to call her the elephant in the room.
Hey, easy there. I have been growing my hair out for quite some time. Firstly, because I've double processed my hair for the last 5 years, so I've been trying to get some of the health back.
Yeah, so Laura was used to double processed blonde, which for those of you at home that don't know, that means on the scalp bleach, pretty much, right? That's your Gwen Stefani, Lady Gaga, bleach it all out, put the bleach on the scalp. So
And
that
now
way we're
I'm
trying to
a la
avoid.
natural in the
Right.
top section.
So Linet, when is a good time for us to start coloring our hair?
Well, we want to first and foremost ask a medical professional. So we ask the doctor if it's okay. And
Done? Yeah.
she's done that. And typically my clients have told me after the first trimester, their doctors say it's a go. And we are there now,
Yes.
timeline-wise.
Yep.
So we're ready to color.
Okay, we're here in my makeshift little salon in the den. Half hair salon den, half soon to be baby stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. So, let's talk hair color, girls.
Yeah. So first I want to hear about what you think you want.
So, honestly, I've wanted to have my hair like a lot blonder for a long time.
Okay.
And then this weekend, I saw all my friends for the first time in a while, and they were all like, oh my God, I love your hair much darker and all that. So I still definitely want to keep some of I like the rootiness of it.
Okay.
I like the depth to it.
Cool.
I don't want it to be as blonde as I'm used to.
All right.
Take the opportunity while I'm pregnant just to sort of be a little more natural, but I definitely want it to be kind of nice and blended. And,
Cool.
And I guess easier in the grow up process.
The next question I get asked a lot by my clients is, what kind of color? And if you guys don't know what that means, there are different types of color you can actually put on your hair. I'll let Linet kind of give you more of the specifics, but I think it's important to kind of understand what kind of color you can put on your hair and what you can't.
Yeah. So we have semi-permanent, permanent, and a demi-permanent. And they're all pretty much okay. It's more a matter of placement and where you're putting the color and where you're not putting the color. So we definitely don't want on the scalp stuff, like we talked about earlier about on the scalp bleach, or we don't want to put color or bleach on the scalp because it'll seep through. We don't want that. We don't want anything to get to the baby through the skin because skin is our biggest organ. As far as highlights or ombre or balayage or any of those techniques or even freehand painting is absolutely okay because it is away from the scalp. Right now you're more of an ombre look.
Yes.
It's super drastic,
Very.
super dark to super light. So we want to get that more blended and higher,
Yes.
but we will definitely keep the rooty look. Maybe higher around your face to brighten up your face.
And you'll also notice I actually have a lot of natural blonde
Amazing.
baby hairs. So it's kind of like I like what this does when I pull it back.
Perfect.
So if like I can do that kind of all over, no matter where my part is.
Yeah. And you
know.
normally part in the middle.
Yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing at the moment anyway.
So I will probably use her natural lightning as placement because we want it to look as natural as possible and it'll be beautiful as it grows out too. And then I'll show you guys how to blend and take away that line.
Love it.
4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets green, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, in my plan, just you. In my there, in yours too. In my plan, just you.
Just sitting here.
Just you.
I do love the smell of bleach.
It
smells really good right now.
right, yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end?
So I have teased and backcombed all throughout, but I've left a lot of her hair out to keep it dimensional.
Nice.
And we've put the highest pieces around her face to give her that really pretty Victoria's Secret pop. And then everything else is gonna be rooty. And we've left her ends out because we don't wanna fry them. And it's gonna be dimensional and gorgeous.
Another great question that I get from some of my women is gray. So how do they tackle their gray if you can't put the color right on their right on your scalp? Is there still ways that we can kind of mask the gray and or wish the gray away or anything
Yes.
like that?
There are ways to mask it. When we're doing a balayage or an ombre or any kind of baby lights, that will kind of blend in with the gray and you won't be able to see it as much. We won't be completely covering it with color, but we will camouflage it with our highlights.
Ooh.
So I guess pregnancy is a good time to kind of like play around with balayage and highlights and things
Absolutely,
like that. Cool.
So if I saw any like little areas of gray, I would probably baby light and weave in those areas. So typically we have gray in the center part and mostly around the hairline. So just do super fine weaving there, which we did. So if she had any grays there, they would blend in.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And something I've sort of noticed with a lot of my clients is when they're pregnant, their hair grows a lot more. So women at home, your hair's not gonna fall out as it normally would. You normally shed like 100 to 150, 175 hairs per day, actually. It sounds like a lot, it really isn't. But when you're pregnant, your body's holding on to every nutrient possible for the little baby. So you're not gonna lose all of that hair. I think it's a great time if you are fearful of trying a new technique, because when your hair's gonna be growing so fast and you're not losing so much of it, you're gonna see your grow out more. So methods that are gonna camouflage your root might be the go-to during pregnancy.
Yes, absolutely, because you don't want to get that ugly line of demarcation and nobody likes that. So
Right.
blending in all those highlights and camouflaging them with a teasing technique that we're going to show you will definitely make it look more blended and you won't see that ugly line.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So balayage after the first trimester, keep the color off your root,
Yep,
and grip it and rip it and still have fun. You can still be beautiful while you're pregnant.
absolutely.
I mean, look how beautiful she is while she's
Already
pregnant.
beautiful. We're just
She
going to
is.
picture it.
Okay, so if you have any other questions about this, mine and Linette's Instagrams will be in the description and they'll probably flash right here. Explosions. Editing. And so yeah, you feel free to follow us and ask us any questions that you need. Anything more hair color related, this one. If you want to know how often you should be getting your hair cut while you're pregnant, ask this one. But whatever.
And I'm just gonna sit here.
Yeah. She's just gonna like stare a hole into the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go get your hair colored.
Yay.
Yay,
right.
let's do it.
Pregnancy hair.
Let's wing it.
Okay, so whether you're expecting a baby or have friends that are expecting babies, or you just want to know more about coloring your hair with a baby, this is our final result.
Absolutely stunning. I love it.
Where are you? There you are.
Gorgeous, gorgeous melted, rooty, dimensional balayage. Perfect.
So pretty. So kept it off the root, kept it safe for baby, kept it very low maintenance, which I think is very important for a mom and to be. This color will probably grow out for how long do you think?
3-4 months,
3 to 4 months.
as opposed to 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, so that way you can have baby or get your hair touched up one more time before baby, maybe baby.
Maybe one more time.
Yep. And so yeah, that's basically it today for us guys. Remember, this is the only place you want to get your hair matted. I want a huge thanks to Linet for
My
doing this for my
pleasure.
wife.
She looks stunning.
Thank
Big
you.
thank you for my wife for getting pregnant so that we could do this, because you
Takes
know
two, babe.
we're very method on this channel, and we're not giving you any bullshit. It's all real stuff coming at you. So thank you for watching, and follow Linet on Insta if you already probably are. You're probably coming from her followers, so thank you. Hi guys, hi Linet's fans. Yeah, thank you so much guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Never be scared.
be
Colorist
scared.
is your friend.
Love that. Is the baby kicking in there, babe?
No, not yet. A little early.
No. And baby safe.
And baby safe.
Baby safe. Most important.
Yeah,
Yeah, it looks
that looks
great,
great.
yeah.
I look amazing on camera no matter what. Like.